Mandee here. So I've just pulled in to the gym, gonna go work out, run a couple errands, crank out some work, and at about 3 o'clock we are heading to Big Diamond for the Short Track Super Series Anthracite Assault. I'm going to be working tonight, and all three, Dad, Billy, and Mike, are all gonna be racing tonight, so it's probably gonna be a really hectic night. So if you're ready for it, stay tuned. Quarter to 2, got quite a bit done this morning. Then I made quinoa salad, so I am taking that with me to go feed Mike some lunch. Got suit, shoes, laptop, catalogs. Hopefully I'm not forgetting anything. So tonight's race is called the Anthracite Assault. What do you think anthracite is?
It's got something to do with coal mining.
Okay. Is that your final answer?
I don't know. We're going to the place that has the coal cracker, so I'm assuming that this was named after what goes on, or what used to go on here.
Jordan?
Yeah, I think it's a type of rock, or
Alright.
yeah, it's some sort of rock, I think. That's my answer.
Was this track built on a stone quarry or something?
I think it used to be.
Okay.
And then they built a racetrack, yes.
It's like they dug
So when you go up
a
into
pit
the drive,
and
like
built track in it.
the driveway,
Mm-hmm.
or down into it, yeah. So anthracite is a type of coal. It's a good job, guys.
We were pretty close.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Together we had a right answer.
Yes.
Strawberry. I mean,
Nobody wants strawberry,
right,
for sure.
But after I eat strawberry, like, it's never appetizing because it's pink. But then after I eat strawberry, I'm like, strawberry's pretty good.
I
You get
wish
a
I
strawberry shake? Strawberry shake's pretty good.
Right. But you finish
I
that
would
strawberry
never get a
and-
chocolate shake, though. I don't know. I'm not a chocolate
man.
shake person.
I do like my chocolate
Did
shakes.
you know that a chocolate shake actually has vanilla in it?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. They vanilla it up.
They have to vanilla it up because they're always too chocolatey.
They're talking about ice cream, but no one's offered to stop for any.
I was surprised that we didn't stop somewhere, but...
We have arrived. I'm getting the schedules organized, making sure everyone is together, because I probably won't be here for the rest of the night. We got Billy, Dad, and Mike parked right next to each other, so that's how I feel right now already. Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived to Big Diamond Speedway. this bag. If anyone wants some t-shirts, buy some please. Makes it a little bit lighter on my load.
14 to 50. We will allow a buy-in from either region with the stipulation that you must have had perfect attendance in your region from the beginning of last year to today.
This is no bueno. It is
42 for Rudolph. Jeff Strunk, Brian Malcolm, Dwayne Howard. 38, Greg Presley.
As Deo would call it, we are currently under a holding pattern. We're holding. We're holding. I don't know what we're holding. We're holding it, alright. Under our porch.
Like a concert.
Well guys, after really heavy rain, we have unfortunately canceled for the evening. This stinks. Well, it doesn't get much worse than coming to the track, unloading, and then raining out, but at least we didn't do any warm-ups. The cars are not dirty, but we are filthy. Unfortunately, it looks like it's still gonna rain. Sorry, I'm trying to watch where I'm walking. But, hey! I guess we're gonna head home and hopefully, yeah, we're gonna head home. Anyone want to say anything? No?
See you guys tomorrow.
Yay! See you guys tomorrow!